Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce my name Ahmad Irswat Khalilullah. I will present the topic Sustainable Innovation, Social Law, Economic Engineering, Alternative Technologies and Green Economy. CPU's contribution towards sustained Philippine agricultural mechanization present by Dr. Aries Roda de Romallosa. Content of presentation: Green economy, alternative technologies, results, implications. Green economy. Green economy, sustainable technological change. Philippine setting. Sustainable mechanization and operation. Sustainable agricultural mechanization. Mechanized operation. Agricultural equipment. Modernization and transformation. Sustainable development goals. No poverty, zero hunger, affordable and clean energy, industry innovation and infrastructure, Philippine agricultural policies, Amogo and Larona, 2015, self-sufficiency, food supply, adoption and utilization of technologies, land, crop, and labor productivity. CPU's response, appropriate technology center, developed and introduced technologies specific to the needs of stakeholders, developed cutting-edge technologies focused on production and post-harvest activities. Integrate biomass was the utilization as resource and potential for machinery for sustainable operation. Objectives of the technology development, design, and development of appropriate technologies, mission evaluation, operating evaluation, batch, and recommended method of testing, analysis, performance analysis compared to PNS, PAES, and other finding, study area and design process. First, conceptualization. Second, design and development. Third, enhancement and evaluation. Description of the technologies developed: crop management, paddy dryer, abarca record catching machine, size reduction, biomass shredder, cassava chipper, bake production utilization, shade in stove, single burner gasifier stove. Conclusion and implication: operating efficiencies are within or above PNS PAES, indicating promising technical potential. Philippines agriculture sector is provided with alternative technologies to enhance mechanization efforts. Labor scarcity might be addressed, creating mechanisms operation and production for sustained supply. With sustained agricultural mechanization, SDGs 1, 2, 7, and 9 might be achieved. Technologies developed can become an important contributor to the government effort. Agri-mechanization, high-value crops like rice, abaca, and cassava are provided with readily available and efficient technologies. Pursuing environmental justice, present by Dr. Eka Nugraha Putra. Dilemmas in international justice, reclaiming the present generation against claims of feudal generation. Richard Falk. Globalization, modernization, technological advancement, environmental decay, and development of resource, substantive respect, protect, fulfill, environmental justice, and criminal law, harm in criminal law, physical or mental injury because of criminal offense, environmental harm in criminal law, environmental wildlife, biodiversity, and natural resources, victimization, primary, secondary, tertiary, Indonesian criminal environmental law, Environmental Protection Act 1982, Indonesian criminal environmental law, Environmental Protection Act 1982, Environmental Protection Act 1997, Environmental Protection and Management Act 2009, Job Creation Act 2020, Indonesian Criminal Code Act Amendment Draft RKUHP, Indonesian Criminal Code Act Amendment Draft, Articles 344 at 345 RKUHP, no minimum sanction, but maximum fine sanction, always 3 million rupiah. Corporation may get a very low amount of fine sanction, duplicating criminal environmental law provision with Articles 98 and 99 Environmental Protection and Management Active 2009. Indonesian Criminal COD Active Amendment Draft RKUHP against the law amendment, unclear environmental standards, difficult to prosecute the offender. Indonesian Criminal Code Art RKUHP Articles 37 and 38 RKUHP strict liability, vicarious liability, strict liability. Articles 88 Environmental and Management Protection Active 2009 consists guilty element. Job Creation Active 2020 revoke the guilty element. Active to justice for environmental rights, human rights was sought be the process of any lawmaking. Criminal law is one of the way to accessing justice for public. Criminal Code Act shall be both and public interest, not the rights, the powerful, and oligarchy. Criminal Code Act shall be drafted by accommodating the public concern, because the law is a public law and will be enforced for the public interest. Access to justice for environmental rights, environmental justice movement. First, environmental degradation. Second, access to social justice. The use of biomass and development of bioeconomy in the European Union, version by David Petinella. Definition: Bioeconomy: the cumulative waste production and utilization of biological resources, innovative biological processes and principles to sustainably provide goods and services all economic sector. Global Bioeconomy Summit 2015. Circular economy is one that is restorative and regenerative by design, and which aims to keep products, components, and materials at their highest utility and value at all times. Distinguish between technical and biological cycles. The Marshall Foundation. Two different visions on circular bioeconomy. Biotechnology vision. with focus on processing and upgrading biological raw materials, as well as on biotechnology research and application and new food kinds. Social vision, highlighting sustainability and ecological process, change also in the consumption styles and living standards. The most ambitious, simple, and will remain infrastructural target. The carbonization of the European economy means 55% GHG emission below 1,990 levels by 2030, 7 years and 2 months ahead. Net zero GHG emissions 2050. Decarbonization, substitution of fossil fuels with renewable energy, raw materials built on petrol, using biomass, energy intense materials with biomass, 5 strategic sector for fossil production substitution, not considering renewable energy production, engineered wood products, pros limited timber, packaging, panels and wall insulation, bioplastic, wood-based composites, biotextile products. How to deal with a very relevant growth of demand for biomass in the future. Biodiversity strategy. 30% of the territory under protection, 10% under strict protection. A. Agricultural related answer. Farm to fork strategy and common agricultural policy by 2030 to reduce fertilizer use in Europe by 20% and pesticides by 50%. One quarter of land to be farmed organically. To restore 25,000 kilometers of rails to remarkably enhance the provision of ES carbon farming initiative, better quality but not higher quantity of food commodities, more land needs for food production, no much room for increasing non-food internal production. Forest related unsure activities, biodiversity protection and land restoration policies in the European all drought forests under protection. Take European targets for using forests to mitigate carbon emission. Carbon neutral COs out growth in 2030. No visible increase of forest biomass removals in Europe in last years, not considering safe food. Two more solutions, expanding the European forest area. Climate practice might by countries worldwide are being over reliant on tree planting. B. Importing more biomass, more than one or three of biomass imports for the European bioeconomy are sourced and imported from extra European areas. There is a formally defined need of regarding European carbon and biodiversity footprint from imported social equalities and green governance present by Dr. Destina Nikonizna Bartosiewicz. First diagram of sustainable development. Social equality is a state of affairs in which all individuals within a specific society have equal rights, liberties, and status, possibly including civil rights, freedom of expression, autonomy, and equal access to certain public goods and social services. Referring to green governance, the two standards of SE might be the most relevant for analysis. SE as equal opportunity, SE equal condition, green governance, environmental governance includes policy, rules, and norms that human behavior and it's also addressed for who makes decisions are made and carried out. The scientific information needs for education, marking and how the public and other stakeholders can participate in the education marking. Women, local authorities, workers and unions, machinery and industry, scientific and technical community, farmers, NHOS, indigenous people, children and youths. Terms for green governance are connected with the social inequalities, environmental injustice in the most popularized and urban changing climate injustice. Who is a CO2 producer, polluter consumers, and who does achieve the consequence? Current current fails versus future generation, the global north versus the global south. Conclusion: sustainable development concept has changed our perception of the connect between people and environment, including broader perspective that results the concept of green governance. Green governance, on the one hand, solves the importance of natural environment, but on the other hand, it is still under the negation what should be in the center, people with generation or environment. The weeks layout in the change in the perception of fairness and justice in the fairness by its stakeholders. That's all the presentation from Seth. Hopes it's useful. Thank you for watching.